Hi, every company asks for experience, but how do you get an experience without an internship, right? That is what we are going to solve today. In this video, I am going to give you a step-by-step guide to crack your first internship as a fresher. We will be covering some three key important topics, which are what kinds of internships are there, how to build your resume and LinkedIn, and where to apply for these internships. Okay. So I hope this video is going to help you. Watch it till the end and make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe as well. I'm Vaibhav. Let's begin. Thank you. So what kind of internships are there? There are basically four kinds of internships: paid internships, unpaid internships, remote internships, and in-office internships. Of these four, paid, of course, gives you money. In unpaid internships, you don't get a payment. In remote internship, you will have to do the task while being at your home or your college. You don't need to visit office. But in case of in-office internship, you need to visit the office every day for your internship. Again, this is about the types of internships. Most important is focus on learning, not the money first. Again, because as you are a fresher, you can't expect a lot of pay from you unless and until you have some prior experience. So start your first internship, even if it's low pay or if it's unpaid as well. Okay, one important key. So, how do you apply for an internship? See, it's not a very rocket science thing. It's a very simple process. It starts from building a resume or a CV for you. Okay? What is a resume or a CV? A resume or a CV is a template which is majorly in the Word or PDF format, which describes you. It describes about you, your education, your experience, your skill sets, which helps the recruiters find you out of the beard of a lot of applicants when they are choosing for a kind of intern. For example, if you're looking for a marketing internship, you will be showcasing the marketing skills in that particular CV. Okay, so again, making CV is really important. You cannot start applying before making a CV. Every company asks for a CV. Simple. Okay, important. Second, build a LinkedIn profile. Okay, building a LinkedIn profile in this scenario, in this decade, is extremely important. A recruiter goes through your LinkedIn profile. He wants to see how good you write, how good is your network, and what kind of things you showcase there. Okay, so LinkedIn is like the Instagram for recruiters. Okay, they will stalk you over there. Third, make a portfolio. For example, you are looking forward for a video editing internship, a graphic designing internship. Okay, you should have a portfolio of yours where you are showcasing all of your designs you have ever made. Okay, this helps you understand. Okay, these are particular design, these kinds of work this person has already done. So it becomes easy for the recruiter or the interviewer to help you get selected faster. Okay. So if someone has a particular skill and is looking forward to applying that particular skill, and that particular skill or the job is like building something, so have a Google Drive portfolio for it. Okay. So how to build a resume? I have showcased my own CV, so you can see my CV over there. This template is available in the description box. You can click on it, copy it out, paste it in a new window, and make sufficient changes which you need. Okay? Don't keep it as same as me. You need to write the things which you have. For example, in my CV, I have some skills. I have the project which I have done. I have my work experience. So in the same way, you will also have to do. You can even add an option certifications if you have any, and if you have done any major achievements in your school life or somewhere else in your college as well. Okay. The next question is where to find the right opportunities. So the right opportunities are available on various platforms. What I prefer is two platforms. The one is Internshala. Internshala is fabulous, fantastic for getting internships. The second one is on LinkedIn. Because on LinkedIn, you will be finding a lot of startups and you need to reach out to the startups. Okay. So these two platforms are very good for your first internship as a fresher. More important point, in internship, you will find a lot of internships where you will be finding two things. Again, the first one is fundraising internships. Don't do these. Again, these are NGO internships which will ask you to raise funds for their NGO. I don't recommend these. It's up to you. If you want to do, it's up to you. I don't recommend them. The second one is Google Form internships. Again, I don't have a particular name, but what they say, but these kinds of internships ask you to circulate Google Form across various groups, your families and friends, and they want to gather the data. Okay, so avoid these kinds of internships. Like I see them as a scam. Okay, so don't do them. Much better. Okay, that's not going to add value anywhere. Okay, so important point. Acha. Then the third area is your company websites. Okay, like these in like the fundraising internships and your Google Form circulation internships. ये तो करनी ही नहीं है. Now, Internship हो गया, LinkedIn हो गया. Now we come to the third point. The third one is company websites. Company websites may you will find a portal called recruiting. It differs from company to company. So in the recruiter column, you can go there and apply for the various jobs. Okay? Some companies write it as careers, some write it as recruiting. So it differs. So in these websites, you can apply as an intern or a product manager for the vacancies they have at that particular point of time. Okay. So this is also important. Achha, when you're finding a profile on LinkedIn, the most important thing is writing them a good email. Now, uh, of course, if they're posting a job vacancy, of course you can apply from there. But it's better to reach out to the startup founders or the HR team and send them your CV and tell them why do you want an internship there, how you can help them, and follow all these points. You know? So you need to show your eagerness while showcasing that you want a particular, why do you want a particular internship? Okay. Yeah. So a very important thing, which is customize your resume before applying anywhere. Okay. For example, you are applying for a marketing internship, then showcase your skills related to social media management, any campaigns you might have run, or the Canva designs which you have made. Okay. If you're applying for a finance internship, then you need to showcase different skills. For example, you will need to showcase your Excel skills. You will need to showcase your accounting skills. You will need to showcase your accounting analysis skills. Okay. So when you're applying for different kinds of roles, you need to customize a CV in that particular manner. Okay. This is extremely important. If you want me to recruit your CV, you can post your CV to my email ID, which is given in the description box, and I will send you a rating on 10 with how you can improve it. Okay. Baki, take the help of ChatGPT as well. Okay. When you're writing to a founder or an HR team, show them your eagerness and the projects, mention your projects, add your CV, and why do you want to do a particular internship? How can you help them? And how can you contribute them? Mention all of these important points. Okay. Don't apply for 50, 100 internships. Try to get an idea. Yeah, these are some of the top 10 or 15 or 20 internships which I'm looking forward to. Then apply there. One important point, you won't be cracking every internship. Okay. So if you think, yeah, I will apply in these two, I will get selected. The chances of getting selected there will be very, very, very low because you're only applying for two places. At least apply for 15 internships. Okay. Because the recruiting rate is extremely high, people reject, and don't face backlashes, or like don't be sad because you were rejected from somewhere. It's a part of the process. One important thing, when you are sending an email to someone, have a professional email ID. Okay? Don't use cranky usernames or email IDs. For example, one of my friends used rocking Sudhanshu at the rate of gmail.com. Don't do that. It's really, really, really unprofessional and makes a negative impact. Okay. Have a professional email ID with your name on it. Okay. For example, my email ID is webhub.ipmat at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. So mail me over there. So these things will help you to crack your first internship without even an experience. And सब्सक्राइब कर लेना चैनल को, अगर अभी तक वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो लाइक भी कर देना. See, when you will be shortlisted for an internship, you will be invited for an interview round, okay? And that interview round will matter a lot, okay? You will be asked questions related to the domain you are providing. For example, if you're providing as a marketing intern, you will be asked why about marketing questions like what is social media management, how are campaigns run, and etc. things. Okay, while I was in a marketing internship, I was asked questions related to statistics as well. I was asked questions related to academics as well. I was asked questions about journal awareness as well. Okay, so it depends upon the founder and the HR team who will be taking your interview. It will depend on their experience and what they're looking for. Okay, so डोंट वरी अबाउट द इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. अगर किसी का इंटरव्यू के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ एक अच्छे इंटरव्यू के लिए एंड दे वांट interview mock interview to be prepared really well, you can take my mock interview session, which is for just fees 99, and which is very detailed by filling the form given in the description box. Remember one thing, soft skills matter a lot. Having the good communication skills, showcasing punctuality, and showcasing your eagerness will make a difference, and it will help you to stand apart from the beard of a lot of applicants. Okay, after you are enrolled in an internship, connect with your seniors. It will help you to get a job after, like in your journey. Okay, so networking becomes really important over there. Take responsibilities in your internship, ask for questions, and give ideas. So it's like amazing thing, you know. You will learn a lot. It shows maturity as well. Okay. After doing the internship, ask your HR team and the founder to write a letter of recommendation and give you a check on your LinkedIn ID as well. Okay. Some quick tips. Don't wait for the third year. Start your internships from the first year only. Apply as much as you can because more learnings will give you more chances, and it will even help you to expand your horizon. It will help you know what kind of jobs you will be loving to do. So it is going to help a lot in that domain as well. Okay. If you want to learn some relevant skills, there are a lot of free courses available on YouTube and Coursera. You can try them. Be consistent while applying. It's not like let's apply on Monday, Tuesday, and then we are saying bye bye for the 20 days. Okay, if you want an internship, you need to be consistent before landing it. You know, because God is also seeing your effort while you are looking for an internship. Okay. And the conclusion is everyone who has an internship today was once applied as a fresher. Okay, so you need so as a fresher will have to start. So it's about starting the process, and ultimately it's not a very difficult thing. It's easy task. Just follow the steps, build a resume, have a portfolio, and apply an internshala. Write good email structure. Take the help of ChatGPT, and that is going to help you a lot. Okay. If this video helped you, make sure to share it with your friends who are struggling to get a first internship. Comment below if you want me to come up with a detailed video of how to build a good LinkedIn profile. Just write LinkedIn in the comment box and I will try to make a video if there is a lot of demand. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe as well. We come up with these kind of videos a lot. All the very best with your internship. I hope you crack. Thank you.